Hello everyone. So we would be learning Sender Authentication Package today. We'll learn about why Sender Authentication Package is important, the first step, and also we will see how to fill in the Sender Authentication form. So Sender Authentication form, you will get it. Either you need to raise a support ticket for it or it would be already sent on the registered email on your account. So it is the first step in your account configuration. And before submitting this form, you need to have some information. The first one would be domain. So this feature allows you to add the domain to Marketing Cloud. So you can add your domain as a business. Now you have opted in for Marketing Cloud and you want to add your domain instead of exact target. So you need to specify which domain you want to use. So it can be a new domain or a subdomain. So it will remove all the references to Marketing Cloud and replace it with your domain, like for the emails, cloud pages, image links, etc. So either you can add a new domain or you can go with a subdomain. A subdomain is a part of a main domain. So if you say an example, abc.com is main domain and comms.abc.com is subdomain. So subdomain uses is recommended. It's better to go with subdomain. Then the second aspect is IP address. So every email is delivered by an IP address. So either you would be on, when you opt in for Marketing Cloud, you would be on shared IP pool. A shared IP is used by different accounts. So it would be shared among the accounts. Also, you can opt in for a dedicated IP address. You can say, okay, no, we want a dedicated IP address, which would be only used by our account. And this will assign a unique dedicated IP address for your account, which would be used for delivering the emails. The combination of IP reputation and domain reputation will contribute to the email placements, like the email might go in junk or spam folders, or it might go into inboxes. Depends on the sending reputation, which is combination of your IP and domain. So it's important to have reputation control on the IPs and domains as well. And there is the third one, which you need information, like you need to ask your business saying that do you want to enable reply mail management? So reply mail management will receive the replies to the emails that have been sent from Marketing Cloud. So if you send emails from Marketing Cloud and there are replies to these emails, these would be received by RMM. And you have two filters in RMM. One is you can say I want to delete all the auto replies and out of office emails. And also you can give your subscriber an option. So if someone replies with unsubscribe me, opt out, I want to leave these keywords, their status would be marked as unsubscribed. So it's a choice. You can go with yes or no. If you go with yes for deletion of auto replies and out of office, these would be deleted. And also every email that we send out has an unsubscribe link. So a subscriber can click on that and unsubscribe. So you can say, okay, no subscriber, we don't want to give an option to a subscriber if he replies with any unsubscription keyword. It's a choice, depends. And you can also send the response to the replies that are received, saying that thank you for your email. Someone would get back to you. And whatever is remained will be forwarded to a specific email address that you need to specify. Maybe contact@abc.com, a mailbox where all the replies would be sent out. So these three things you need to specify or you need to tell in the form that is sender authentication form. So you need to specify these all things: domain, IP address, and RMM. And based on that, you will get the DNS records. So Salesforce support would send you some DNS entries that you need to update on the domain. So if domain is purchased from GoDaddy, you need to log in GoDaddy and update those DNS records. If you want to self-host all the DNS, if not, then you update the name servers. Then Salesforce would do it. Let's see. So now we'll see the sender authentication form. So this is how sender authentication form would look. For every account, there would be a unique link. You need to put in your name and email address on which the communication should happen. The account ID for each account or each org, there is a specific account ID which will be always unique, the MID of that account. Would you want to utilize RMM at this time? So if you want to use RMM, you want to enable RMM, you can say yes. If you don't want it, you can say no. And whatever as I said, like the replies would be forwarded to a specific email address, maybe contact at ABC. So you need to specify which email address will be the replies forwarded to, and then the domain that you want to use. If it is comms.abc.com, you can put that domain in here, the subdomain. And then this option, like, do you want to assign this authentication domain to this account only? If you have multiple business unit, you can have, or you want to have the same domain to your sub accounts, or you want to have this for main account and sub account. Depends. If you have a multi business unit architecture, you can go for sub accounts if needed, or else you keep it for this account only. This is important. You want to self-host the DNS entries? If you say yes, Salesforce will send you the DNS zone file which you need to update on the domain level. You need to log in your domain provider and update those DNS. If no, then you need to change the name servers to Marketing Cloud, and Marketing Cloud support would do it for you, the updation of zone files. The last option is IP address. So in Sender Authentication Package, you want to assign. So if you have already paid for an dedicated, or it depends on your edition, if it is a corporate, you already get a dedicated IP address. So you have an option saying that assign the new dedicated IP address. I'll be sending more than 250K per month, or else I'll stay or use shared IP space. I'll be sending less than 250K per month. Or else you already have a dedicated IP address somewhere else and you want to attach that to Marketing Cloud, you can do that with the third option. And once you click on I understand and submit, this form would be submitted, and then the initiation of SAP would be started, the DNS and the verification of domains. So this is how Sender Authentication Package would be configured. You need to fill in the form. You are now understood. There are three major parts in Sender Authentication Package. First is domain, second is IP address, third is RMM, and fourth is basically branding, wherein all the links would be replaced by the domain that you are adding. So each business unit can only have one SAP. So one business unit can only have one SAP package. Okay, I believe that's it. Thank you for your time. Stay tuned for next videos. I'll be posting on a detailed video on RMM, how to configure RMM, how to use it. Thank you. Bye.